Hello everyone, this is Shubham Chaudhary and I welcome you again in the 16th video of our YouTube channel. Today is 16th of January and we are discussing this LeetCode medium problem number 380, insert delete get random at big O of 1. So here we need to implement the randomized set class in which there are some functions. There is a constructor randomized set which initializes the randomized set object. After that, we have a boolean vector insert which inserts an item value in the set if not present and returns true if the item was not present and false otherwise. There is another function which returns a boolean value. It is a remove function and it removes an item value from the set if present, and then it returns true if the item was present and false otherwise. And there is one another function which gives us random value. GetRandom is a function which returns a random element from the current set of elements. It's guaranteed that at least one element exists when this method is called, and each element must have the same probability of being returned. So we need to return a random element from the set. Here we must implement the function of the class such that each function works in average big O of one time complexity. So we need to execute all the statements in big O of one time complexity. So in the example one, here the first first array consists of operations and the second array are the results. So randomized set is called, then insert for uh, one is the input value and we are performing insert operation, so it is returning true. Then we are performing remove and we are removing 2, so 2 is not there in the set, hence return false. After that insert 2, so 2 is not in the set, so we are inserting and returning true. Then get random, in the get random we are getting 2 as a random element. After that remove 1, so 1 is there and then therefore we are returning true. After that insert 2 in the array, there is 2 already present in the set, so we are returning false. And after that get random by getting 2 as a random element. That is the explanation here. So we need such data structures which will return the operations in big O of one time complexity. So there is a hash map. In the hash map, insert delete operations perform big O of one time complexity. So we are using that. Here the approach is, first of all, create a hash map and a vector for storing the elements in their values. So we will create an unordered map for hash map and a vector. The first element of this hash map will consist of the element and their index. Second element will be consist of their index, and we are in the vector we are storing the elements. So in the insert function, we will check if map contains the value or not by performing set.find operation. So if not, if the element is not present, then we will add the value to the map as well as vector and return true, else we will return false. Then in the remove function, we will check if map contains the value. If yes, then we will remove that from vector as well as that map, and then we will return true, else we will return false. And in the last function, GetRandom function, we will return random value using this function. So let's code for it. Before that, if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. So in the randomized set, we will not do anything. We will declare unordered map here. Let's call it as set. Then we will declare a vector v. Then in the insert function, first of all, we will check if that value is present in the map or not using find function. Then set.find val if that value or if this returns set.end. Now find will return us now find will return us a iterator. So we are checking it with dot end of iterator. So if set.find is equals to set.end, means the iterator is pointing to the end of the set. So we will conclude that the element is not present in the list. Then we will push the element back in the vector. After that, we will assign that value as a key in the map, and for value we will store the current index of that element using v.size -1. So set will represent as key is the value, and for key is the element's value, and for value we will insert the index of that element. After that we will return true, and if the element is not present there, if the element is present in the here in the statement, if the element is present in the map, we will return false. Next, in the remove function, first of all, we will declare an iterator state.find, and we are checking what iterator can be given from this find function. After that, check if if it is not equal to set.end. So here, this is the condition we are checking if the element is present. So we will perform these operations. We will so with the help of it dot or it arrow function second, we are getting the index of that current element in the map, and using that in the v, yeah, vector is v. So v of it dot dash it arrow second, we are getting the index of that element. We will swap it with the last element of that current vector, and after that we will pop that element. So we swapped the last element with the current element, and then we pop back the last element. After that, we will update the current swapped element in the map using set of v of second it dot second it dot arrow second. Here we are updating the swapped elements index in the map as it dot dash second. Then we will erase the value from the map also and return true. And if we can't find any element in the map, we will return false. In the get random function, we will return a random value using in the vector we will use this function modulo v dot size. This will give us the random index in the particular range of v. Yeah, that's it. Check for the test cases. Yeah, the code ran successfully. Check for hidden test case. The code ran successfully. So that's the time. Talking about the time complexity here, it will be big of 1 because this unordered map, hash map, inserts and deletes element in big of 1 time complexity. Also vectors operations are big of 1 time complexity also, and the space complexity will be big of n as we are declaring this two data structures. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for upcoming LeetCode problem of the day videos and exciting one-stack web development projects. Happy coding, and let's make this year a fantastic one together. Thank you.